According to neuroscience, most people have no idea how to access a creative state on a regular basis. Creativity requires certain brain networks to be online, activated, and there are many things that humans do that keep these brain networks turned off. When we narrow our visual field, we are suppressing, we are limiting the function of a very important brain region that has to do with creativity called default mode network. Default mode network is in charge of your imagination, in charge of random thoughts that don't have context. Now, the executive network is also in charge of keeping this network suppressed or turned off. This is why you will be most creative about 9 hours after waking, because your executive governing network plays less of a role in suppressing the thoughts and activity of your default mode network where your imagination exists. So one way to turn on this default mode network is with something called open monitoring meditation, where you sit there, you close your eyes, you may say the name of an object, like a pen, but when you think about that object, there are no rules. Try closing your eyes and pinpointing a thought, idea, subject, but don't be very strict. Be playful. Don't be rigid. Don't take it too serious. Don't try too hard. Let the memory bank, the experience catalog surface naturally. Let your mind wander a bit, but keep it within the lanes of the subject or topic that you have in mind. And remember, this will not work very well in what we call phase 1, when adrenaline levels are high within the first 9 hours after waking. You will be most creative about 9 hours after waking, and you can increase the probability of creativity by doing NSDR protocol. Perform NSDR protocol prior to your creativity session. Do roughly 10 to 30 minutes of NSDR, and you'll be amazed what happens when you don't focus your vision on one particular thing. Keep a broad panoramic gaze or close your eyes. Pick a topic